Welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that could completely transform your financial outlook and lifestyle: new car ownership. If you're still stuck in the trap of owning an old, used car, it's time to rethink your strategy. Let's talk about why new cars aren't just about luxury, but about making a smart financial decision and improving your life standards. But first, let's discuss the harsh reality of owning a used car, the hidden cost of used cars. Used cars may seem like a smart, affordable choice at first, but let's be real, the costs add up in ways you might not expect. Sure, the sticker price is lower, but maintenance, repairs, and unexpected issues can drain your bank account quickly. Think about it. Your used car may look fine now, but repair costs are just around the corner. And these aren't small fixes: engine repairs, brake pads, transmission issues, and constant mechanical failures are common in older cars. Car repairs aren't cheap, and more importantly, they're unpredictable. One day it's the brakes, next week it's the AC, and suddenly you're paying hundreds, even thousands, every few months just to keep the car running. You might save a few bucks up front, but when the repairs start piling up, you'll wish you'd never gone down the road of buying a used car. Stress and financial burden. Here's the thing: owning a used car means constant stress and uncertainty. You're always on edge, wondering if today is the day your car will break down. This tension doesn't just affect your peace of mind, it affects your finances too. That monthly repair bill? You can't plan for it, and it's often larger than you'd like to admit. More than that, being constantly stuck in repair cycles means you miss out on building your wealth. Instead of using your money for things that actually improve your financial future, you're dumping it into a car that only loses value the more you drive it. Is that really the smartest use of your hard-earned money? The social pressure. Now, let's talk about the social pressure, and yes, it's real. People don't clap for the guy driving a 10-year-old Honda that's still running smoothly. But if you roll up in a brand new BMW, suddenly you're the center of attention. That shiny new car gives off an image, a status symbol that screams success, wealth, and progress, and this is something many people fall for. The desire to look successful to others often clouds their judgment, leading them to buy into the car-poor lifestyle. You're so focused on appearing successful to your friends, family, and colleagues that you end up stretching your finances thin just to maintain that image. But here's the harsh truth: this isn't success, it's image management. Buying a used car is often seen as a budget move, and in many cultures, owning an old, worn-out vehicle can lead to perceptions of low status. You're stuck in a financial cycle that limits your true potential. The true cost of owning a used car. Let's talk about depreciation, the elephant in the room. A new car starts to lose value the moment you drive it off the lot. Yes, but a used car loses value at an even faster rate than you think. What you may not realize is that over the long run, your used car is costing you more than you might expect. You're still paying for repairs, dealing with high insurance rates, and watching your car drop in value, even as it becomes a financial burden. Meanwhile, a new car comes with a warranty, better fuel efficiency, and fewer repairs, which means you're not constantly throwing money down the drain. Why new cars offer better financial outcomes? Now, let's flip the script. Imagine walking into the dealership and driving off with a brand new car, a car that is reliable, low maintenance, and comes with advanced features that make your life easier. With a new car, you're securing peace of mind. You won't have to worry about sudden breakdowns or sky-high repair costs that drain your savings. You'll save on insurance premiums, enjoy better fuel economy, and you'll have a car that retains its value better than a used one. Plus, new car financing options often come with low interest rates, meaning you're paying less in interest over the life of the loan. This helps you build your wealth rather than drowning in debt, achieving a higher standard of living. Ultimately, buying a new car is about investing in your future. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about getting from point A to point B in style and with confidence. By choosing a new car, you're setting yourself up for a higher standard of living, one that includes financial stability and peace of mind. You're not just making a purchase, you're making a decision that impacts your financial health and your personal image in the long run, the smart choice. So, the next time you're thinking about buying a car, ask yourself, do I really want to keep throwing money into something that loses value every day? Or do I want to make a smart investment that sets me up for a stronger financial future? Don't let the used car trap hold you back. Go for the new car and make a choice that will not only elevate your lifestyle but also help you build real wealth over time.